Hi, I'm Becca, the DIY and home interior blogger behind Simplicity for Designs. Today I'm excited to show you how to make this holiday wreath that is perfect for your front door and windows in your home. What you will need is a grapevine wreath, a berry stem or any stem of your choice, floral wire, and scissors. The first step is take your first stem and curve it as the shape of the wreath. Then insert the stem into the wreath to ensure that it's secured and continue to shape the stem. Continue weaving the other stems. One thing I found is that to evenly space out the stems, you have to ensure that the tip of the stem is overlapping your previous stem. Now that you have the stems onto the wreath, the next step is to secure it. I use a floral wire and cut 1 inch or 2 and then tuck it into the branch of the wreath and give it a twist to secure it. So make your way around the wreath and keep pulling the branches apart to arrange it while you secure the branches onto the wreath. One thing I love to do for open spaces is insert smaller stems, and that will give it a full look. And that's it, a simple DIY wreath for the holidays made by Becca.